Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tay. Today in this video, I will make a tutorial about how to edit PDF files or documents for free, especially how to highlight the text, how to check the mark, how to comment, how to insert photo and digital signatures in documents or PDF files. I made this video because it's very useful for students, office staff, and for everyone who is using PDF or documents. It's an alternative option for Adobe. When you want to use Adobe, you have to log in and you have to sign in and you have to do a lot of stuff. But in this video, I will introduce you another video that you can use for free and no login required. First of all, we have to download the software that we are going to use. The software that we are going to use in this video is the Foxix Reader. Foxix Reader is free and there's also a paid version. To download the software, let's go to the website foxixsoftware.com/pdf-reader, and then you can see that free Foxix Reader, no registration required, so you don't need to log in. And you will also see enterprise packaging, and this is Foxix Reader, do more with documents, and then you will see the project, solution, buy now, land, company support. And so we want to edit for free, so let's download the file first, and then you can choose what's your operating system. If you're Windows, you can choose Windows, and if you're Mac, you can choose Mac. If you are using Linux, you can choose one of them, and then you can choose your language. So I will only choose like English, and then let's press free download. Okay, if you finish downloading, you can start installing the Foxix Reader. You will see that after you installing the setup, and you will see that custom installation or just normal. We will next, and then agree. Let's wait for this to complete. After you finish installation, you will see this page, and then you can simply finish, and then it will launch the Foxix Reader. So in my case, I already installed and I already use a lot, so you can see my documents. For those who are not familiar with the software or the Foxix Reader, let's take a look around the Foxix Reader first. So to open the document file, you can go to this little folder icon, and then you can press and then go to the folder that you want to read or you want to open. So you will see Foxix, go to them and then open, and then you can see the document now. Let's take a look around, and if it's really small and you cannot read, you can enlarge the size of the document with this little plus icon. You can move around, and also you can move with this size. Okay, and then you can see the chapter of the book. Let's see, the show icon, and then press here, and then you will see the chapter and their sub chapters. You can go page by page with this, like let's say motivation, and you can go also into domain routine, and you can go along with this. And also when you don't want to see the bookmark, you can hide. Okay, and also this is the view page thumbnail. We see the page number of the PDF file here, and also you can see here like phone, command, free and sign, view, form, protect, share, connect, and help tab here. If you don't want to see and you just want to read the text very large, and you can have more space by clicking here, collapse the ribbon. You can collapse the ribbon, and if you want to see that ribbon back, you can press here, and then you can pin the ribbon. Okay, let's talk about the highlighting the text. When you want to highlight the text, next to the hand tool, you will see the select tool. You can select this text and then select the text that you want to highlight, and then right click on it, and then you can highlight. There's many other options after you highlight the text. Not only highlight like this, you can also strike out, you can also underline, and you can also quickly underline. So there's a bunch of options you can do. You can choose hand tool and you can press here, and then you can write. When you highlight this area for testing. When you want to change the color of the highlight, choose the hand tool, and then you can go to that, and then you can select the color that you want to highlight. And you can also choose the line color, and you can also choose the opacity. And also there is another way you can highlight the text. It's here, you can see, we see highlight. Press to here, and then you can select the text that you want to highlight and choose the hand tool, and you can also change the color of the text. You can also comment here, and you can close. Okay. You will see that when you press the cursor on the highlight text, you will see the comment that you comment. You can take a note in Fox's Reader. To take a note, next to highlight, there will be a typewriter. Select this one, and then you can go to the place that you want to take a note, and then press here, and then you can take a note what you want to test for testing. And you can also change the color and the font size here. You will see Myanmar text or any font size that you want to change, and then the font size 16 or 18 you can change, and bold or italic or underline. So you can do a bunch of options to the text. You can go to hand tool, and you can also change the size of the text by pressing this little button. You can also relocate the text by choosing here. So it's really convenient and it's really useful to take a note. Sometimes when you fill the form in PDF files or in documents, you have to check the Mac, and you have to also fill in the option form. So in that kind of place, you can do it in Fox's Reader. You have to check male or female. So you can go to free and sign in, and then you can choose the check mark, and then you can select, and then you can place where you want to place. Okay, so this is very useful. And when you fill in the form, or when you do a lot of documentation, it's very useful for it. When you fill in the form in documents, you have to insert your photo in the document. At that time, you can also do that in Fox's Reader. So let me show you how to do. In Fox's Reader, there will be image annotation tab, and you go to there. You can choose the place that you want to put the photo, and then and then you go to browse, and then go to the place that your photo has, and then choose the place. And then opacity, yes, 100, and then just click OK. You can also choose the location of the photo by dragging along, and you can also choose the size of the photo. Go to the little icon, and you can choose along, and you can also choose the size of the photo. So it's very convenient and it's very useful. So the next thing is to sign. When you have to sign in the document, you can do it in Fox's Reader. So let me show you how to do it. So to sign, you go to fill and sign in, and then to create a signature, press the text button, and then you can import or you can just draw. So I will draw a signature here, and then you can go. Okay, let's say this is your signature. After you draw it, click OK, and then you can save it as your signature. After you save it, you will see here as your signature, and then there will be the signature will be a cursor, and then go and place the place that you want to put as a signature. Let's say we want to put here. Okay, and then 10. So this signature 10. Also, if you have already signature and then you want to put another signature, and then you can place a signature as an import file, something like this. So it's very useful. Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope this video will be informative for you and you will get something. In this video, I talk about how to edit documents for free. It's an alternative to Adobe. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a like. I post new video every week, so please make sure you subscribe my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.